Hi, my name's Garry McGivern. In this series of videos I'm cycling Eurovelo routes 6 and 15, which took me through France, Switzerland, Germany and Holland. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Welcome to Travels on a Bike 2.
Morning all, that was a better night last night. Lovely little hotel, very twee but very nice. Very pleasant people, Bridget and Peter. Couldn't do enough for you. Didn't have a restaurant, but hey ho, so I went and had a kebab. So that was quite nice. Breakfast, yeah, that was also very good. It's very grey and overcast today. I've not looked at the forecast. I just hope there's no rain forecast. If there is, we'll get wet. But yeah, but we're back on that EV15 as we have been most of the time. So I think the next stop might be Bonn. I think. I don't know whether we'll stop there or not is a different matter. Right, I shall speak to you all later. Goodbye. Well, we made it to Bonn, and as you can see we're just passing straight through. Can't see if there's anything really I want to see. Apparently Beethoven's place of birth is here or something. Doesn't do it for me. So we'll continue on to Cologne. Maybe we'll stop there and have a little look. We'll see. One of the reasons I'm keeping going is it's very black behind me, and I wouldn't be surprised if we get some rain again today. So I'd rather get as far as possible before that comes in. Good morning. We're just coming into Cologne. But it's just started to pour with rain. I just got caught in a shower. Well, I'm wet basically. It's been threatening to do it all morning, but it hasn't until now. So I think we've got, I don't know, maybe another mile or two before we actually get into Cologne. And then, well, if this is going to continue, I might stop for the day, but we shall see. It's still not looking very bright. In fact, it's pouring down over there. Right, I shall speak to you all later. Goodbye. Well, it stopped raining now, and I'm pretty cold. We're just sort of coming into the centre Oh, Cologne now. Oh, look. There's one of these stupid trains. Oh, that's it. Get out my way. Thank you. Well, as you can see, we've lost the rain, but we seem to have got a lot of wind now. We're just coming into Düsseldorf. I think, oh, excuse me, I think that's where I'm going to stop the night. We're actually just about to cross the Rhine, which will be the first time on this trip I've been over the other side. I've been cycling on the south side all of this time so far. So, nice quiet road to go in on. Dead space then. This might actually be my last night in Germany. I think possibly tomorrow we could be in Holland. I'm not 100% sure. Perhaps I'll have a look at a map tonight if I think about it. If I don't, then we won't. Right. I shall speak to you all later. Goodbye. Right. Well, no sooner have we gone into Düsseldorf, we're coming out again, and we're crossing back over the Rhine. Decided I'll push on a little bit. Didn't seem to be a whole lot in Düsseldorf. So, probably regret it looking at that black cloud over there, but never mind. Right, I'm going. Goodbye. Well, that was a bit of a turn up for the books. As we said, we couldn't be bothered to stop in Düsseldorf. I don't know why. I didn't see any reason to. So we obviously, like I say, we set off. A couple of miles outside, we come across this campsite. So that's turned out for the best. We're in a place called Lörick. 73 miles today. Yeah, what more can I say? We don't have anything for supper tonight. We never stopped at a supermarket because, well, basically we didn't think we'd be camping. But yeah, but we got pasta, so we'll just have some pasta, which will do. I think I've got a vegetable stock cube, so we'll just have that. I might even have an onion as well, so we'll have that. But I'm sure we won't starve. We did manage to get some beer from the camp site office. They didn't have any food. There is a restaurant just that way, but I don't know whether I can be bothered to walk out. So, like I say, I think we'll just have some pasta, and I'm sure we won't starve. Right, I shall speak to you all in the morning. Goodbye. Cheers. Morning all. That's an annoying start to the day. Actually, that's better if I put you there. That's a very annoying start to the day. Woke up. It's been windy all night, so the tent's nice and dry. It's just started to rain now, which is very disappointing. So I was hoping to be able to pack the tent away nice and dry for once, but it's not to be. Maybe it's not going to be too bad. I'm not 100% sure. We're right on the flight path for Düsseldorf airport. They just started taking off again. It's all good. Right, I can't see, so I'm going to get on with my noodles.
which is what I always have for breakfast, and I shall speak to you all later. Hopefully we'll be on the road. I did look at the forecast and it says about 10 or 20% chance, so it might not be too bad. Oh, here we go. Here goes the 6:30 to London Heathrow, possibly. There you go. Right, I shall speak to you all later. Goodbye. This is one of the reasons why I don't tend to get on the road too soon. It's just dark. I mean, it's 7:45 now, and it's just starting to get light. As I say, normally I'd like to be on the road, I know 6 is always a good time, but as I say, when it's dark, there's no real rush. I just keep going all day. I don't really tend to stop. Whereas I think a lot of times if I start at 6, I do tend to have breaks. I suppose it's as long as it is broad, really. Well, it's been a very wet and miserable day, and this is the first time it stopped raining. But look, just coming into Holland. Not too sure how many more miles, less than 20 I think, to Arnhem, which is where I think we might be stopping. But yeah, it's been a very annoying day. Cold, wet and windy. As I say, I've only just taken off my waterproofs. Looking at it, I think we might be putting them back on again soon. Right. Okay, and I shall speak to you later. Goodbye. This is the old border crossing. I think we are now definitely in Holland. Well, I think we're nearly at Arnhem now. I shall be glad to finish. It's been a cold day, as I said earlier, and well, not really been a lot to see. I'll be very quick tonight. I don't seem to have a lot of battery power in my battery pack. I think the cold has killed it off. We made it to Arnhem. As you can see, we found a campsite as well, so that's a bonus. 76 miles, so not too bad, despite it being a really miserable, horrible, cold, wet day. Yeah, so as I say, I'll turn you off, conserve my battery, and then hopefully we'll be able to speak tomorrow. Goodbye.